picked up my phone and started recording her because her sister was helping her.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over DFW Airport, or near Grapevine, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowlett, Euless,